Hello and welcome back to the Machine Learning A to Z course. Super excited to have you back here on board for this new part on natural language processing. In this quick tutorial, we'll go over what is coming up for us in terms of the intuition videos to better understand natural language processing. So first thing that I wanted to mention is that the upcoming videos that you will see are actually taken from a specialized course that we have in the space of natural language processing. It's called Deep Learning and NLP A to Z. And why I'm saying that is you will hear references to things like deep learning or sec-to-sec models and other things. So I wanted to clarify what is important to us in this specific part of the course and what needs to be disregarded. So let's have a look. In this section, here's what we'll be focusing on. So we will have a tutorial on types of natural language processing. So we'll discuss all different sorts of types, and I think that's a great way to become aware of what exists in the world of natural language processing, even if it includes the deep learning models or even the more advanced sec-to-sec models. So you'll hear those terms, but our focus here will be on a different type of natural language processing model, which will come up just now. Then you'll actually we'll have a tutorial on classical versus deep learning models, and we'll discuss the differences between them and different kind of use cases and some examples as well, again to increase our awareness of the space of natural language processing. And finally, we'll have a tutorial specifically dedicated to the bag of words model. So that is the main tutorial that we need to be focusing on, because that's the model that you will be building together with Adlan in the practical tutorials, and we'll get the intuition behind bag of words in this tutorial. And just so that we're on the same page, in this part or in this course on machine learning A to Z, we're not going to be talking about the sec-to-sec model or chatbots or deep natural language processing. Those are more advanced topics. If you'd like to discover them and take your natural language processing skills further after this section, of course, you can always have a look, and we invite you to have a look at our course that was mentioned just before, Deep Learning and Natural Language Processing A to Z, and you can find a lot of those things there. But even this awareness of natural language processing and this bag of words model and the practical applications that you'll be discussing with Adlan is going to be a great start into the world of NLP and will allow you to practice certain skills of pulling text apart and getting insights from text. Very exciting tutorials coming up. Can't wait for you to get started with this part of the course. So without further ado, let's dive straight into it. And until next time, happy analyzing.